Hello, friends. Welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. And first of all, let me wish you all a very, very happy Dhanteras and very, very happy and prosperous Deepavali. So, as it is the occasion of Deepavali, the market is also uh, outperforming. I will discuss the Nifty Bank level, of course, as usual, and will discuss the important breakout and levels. And along with that, I will discuss important update also. So stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update, stock in news update, indices weekly levels update. So first and foremost, the important information I want to share that the Muhurat trading timings. So Muhurat trading is set to be open on Tuesday, of course, October 21st, 2025. 21st October को मुहूर्त ट्रेडिंग के लिए टाइम दिया गया है फ्रॉम द सेबी एंड दिस टाइमिंग इज प्री ओपन सेशन इज 1:30 to 1:45 एज जैसे हमारा एवरी डे इन रेगुलर मार्केट में होता है प्री ओपन सेशन 1:30 to 1:45 एंड ट्रेडिंग आवर्स होंगे 1:45 to 2:45 1 hour trading 1:45 to 2:45 and after that post closing session will be 2:55 to 3 3 you can see on your screen. So overall we can say 1:45 to 2:45 1 hour is has been given for the trading और pre open और post closing session तो है ही. So this is on 21st October. So as all you know that some people are celebrating Diwali on 20th and some are celebrating on 21st. So this has been decided that 21st October will be a Muhurat trading day. So be mindful with this date and with the timing also if you want to do some muhurat on your on this auspicious day on Diwali day for a good wealth creation for investment long term investment. So muhurat trading is on 21st October. So this was a small and short update about the Muhurat trading. Now I will quickly discuss the Nifty Bank, which is very important, and then I will wrap up. So let's quickly go to the Nifty Bank chart and let me share the good news about the Nifty Bank that I can see a good breakout and Nifty Bank is trading at its all time high. Yes, of course, this is a very good news in Diwali, and I will show you on chart and you can understand. I have made this rounding bottom and the Nifty Bank is giving breakout from a rounding bottom and even closed above this neckline of rounding bottom. You can see this trend line I have drawn, this horizontal line, and the Nifty Bank even closed and even it has broken this line and even closed above that and touched the all time high of 57,830. And I have given in my last video the important target, important resistance of Nifty Bank, which it was taking even earlier, of 57,600 around, and 57,600 already has been broken by Nifty Bank on Friday only. तो फ्राइडे को ये लेवल ब्रेक हो चुका है. नाउ वी नीड टू चेक in next week the confirmation candle how it is going to follow up with this breakout, or it is retesting at the level of 57,600 around, or it is not going above or breaking this line. Need to check in next week. Very important to watch closely. So please keep watch on the breakout of Nifty Bank as the retest level is 57,600. So I guess it may retest the at this level and then go again further upside, and it may even touch very soon the 50 even 8 57,800 तक तो पहुंच ही गया है. तो 58,000 is even on the card. 58,000 already is almost near to achieve, but I am expecting the 60,000 soon in Nifty Bank. Important support अगर ये 57,600 का रीटेस्ट लेवल भी तोड़ देता है, then we need to check of this level which is 57,000 around a psychological level भी है और important support भी है, जैसे कि ये इस कैंडल का लो है 50, yes 57,000, 57,000 we need to check in next week also, if it is breaking the 57,600 which is the retest level. So overall 2 3 levels very important, 57,600 and below that 57,000, but ऊपर के लेवल पे 58,000 almost reached, but over the 58,000 it may reach to 60,000. So abhi I am not giving the 60,000 level, as let me see if it is next week it is breaking 58,000 or not. But yes, 58,000 break कर देता है अगर next week में, so after Diwali vacation, after Diwali holiday, so we should definitely expect the 60,000 also. So I will definitely update in next week video, of course, and then I will share the important level. So overall, the Nifty Bank level for the next week can be important support is 57,600 and then 57,000. Important resistance will be 58,000, but of course after 58,000, 60,000 very soon. At the end of the video, let me share important information about the STFC AMC. I have made the video on it and I have shared every information and update about its corporate action of bonus. And I have shared the important Q2 results and fundamentals, everything. Please check that video. Very important to be aware with before record date. So I am sharing the video in I button. Please check that video also. Very important. And yes, let me wish you all the best for the Muhura trading on 21st October. And of course, like and share the video with your friends and others so that they can also be aware with the important stock news and important update. And subscribe the channel for regular stock market update. Signing off.